I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Google Sheet and naming it for this portfolio. Once done, add clear headers in row 1, ticker, shares, cost, price, value, change %. Next, enter each stock symbol in column using uppercase tickers like Apple. Make sure to keep duplicates out and use one row per holding. This prevents formula conflicts. Then you'll prepare the price column to pull live data so values update automatically, which saves repeated manual lookups. You next fetch live prices with Google Finance. In price use equals Google Finance, A2, price, and copy down. Once done, calculate value as shares times price and compute gain/loss percentages with price cost/cost. Make sure to wrap formulas in IFR to avoid ugly errors when a ticker is invalid. Use array formula for scalable automation so new rows inherit formulas automatically. Also set number formats to currency and % to keep the dashboard readable and consistent for quick scanning. You finish by creating a compact dashboard. Sum total portfolio value, daily change, and average cost per share. Once that's visible, add charts and conditional formatting rules to highlight large drops or gains. This gives instant visual cues. Make sure to protect formula ranges and share with view-only permissions for others. Finally, enable regular backups via file version history or export CSV to cloud storage. If data stops updating, check your ticker spelling and the Google Finance service status as a first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.